Wow.
Step into Neo DASHCAM, where the calm of the highway can flip into pure adrenaline in a split second. Hit subscribe, keep your hands on the wheel, and enjoy the ride.
Wow.
Violence never solves problems, it only adds more. Winter always finds creative ways to test everyone's driving skills. On the highway, every smart decision is the key to staying safe. Some people seem to have a lifetime subscription to luck. Apparently, the 360 spin mode just got activated, but the manual hasn't been opened yet. Guess someone just tested close contact mode without warning.
Put out your phone.
Feels like watching two sumo wrestlers fight on a balance beam. Felt like a MotoGP moment, but real life doesn't come with a reset button. What do you think about this situation? Share your thoughts below.
Emergency video. Emergency video.
Arguing while driving rarely wins you any trophies.
Emergency video. Emergency video. Emergency video.
Just one moment of lost control, and the consequences speak for themselves. Another DASHCAM fails moment. It's like trying to win Mario Kart, but on expert mode with no extra lives. Speed brings a little excitement, until gravity steps in with a reminder. Don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling moments. Sometimes just a brief moment of distraction is enough to change everything. It seems someone just unlocked the underwater tour package for free. Staying alert is the safety ticket no gamble can replace.
suggest you focus on the events of the day in question.
It's also a reminder that staying focused helps protect you and everyone around you. Maybe someone thought the finish line would show up a little sooner than expected. When wild road rage takes the wheel, safety gets left behind. High-speed chases always look cooler in the movies than in real life. Yielding is courtesy, but it seems that message hasn't reached everyone yet. Speed shrinks reaction time faster than you can blink. Gravity never misses an opportunity to show who's boss. It's like a deleted scene from a Hollywood stunt show, except this time, there were no rehearsals. Control looked optional until reality hit confirm. Looks like the car was auditioning for a special performance, but unfortunately, it skipped rehearsal. It's like trying a U-turn audition without reading the script first. Seems like the headlights just witnessed more action than they expected. High speeds combined with even a small misjudgment are enough to make everything unsafe. Egos at full speed rarely cross the finish line first. Someone probably just gave the power company a little overtime bonus. Guess someone's foot just gave the car a little surprise performance. High speeds leave no room for second chances. Stay in control. It's like a surprise cameo nobody asked for, but everyone remembers. Guess someone just unlocked the secret tunnel to another dimension.
They go, yeah.
Highway speed limits are suggestions until physics shows otherwise. Just one small mistake near a gas station is enough to turn seconds into big trouble. A tap from behind is the easiest to avoid, but often the most expensive. Surviving this one is a blessing. Second chances don't always come on winter roads.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
What?
This vehicle's gonna crash right in front of me. Oh, it did. It crashed and turned over. Yeah.
Those dashcam car crashes are constant reminders. Control isn't optional, it's survival. Feels like a monster truck cameo nobody bought tickets for. And the result was an entire stretch of highway turning into a domino track in the blink of an eye. Losing control for a second can set off a chain reaction in seconds. Guess the GPS just announced freestyle mode activated. Do you think this was a bold move or just a loss of control? When the road's frozen, patience is the cheapest insurance you can buy. Yo! There are days when even heroes need a little help. Life isn't a game, so there's no power-up button when you take risks. There are limits that physics constantly reminds us not to challenge. Every decision behind the wheel carries someone's safety. A few extra seconds of patience can save months of repair bills. Thought this was fast and furious, but physics sent an eviction notice. Night drives hit different, sometimes a little too literally. That steering wheel just filed for retirement, early and unexpected. Keeping distance is free. Repairs aren't. Looks like someone just enrolled in an unplanned driving experiment. Some days the road decides to host its own domino challenge. When tempers take the wheel, safety gets pushed to the back seat. It's like two quarterbacks calling the same play. Trouble was hard to avoid. One rushed decision can turn a quiet drive into lasting consequences. Guess someone just discovered the paint trading club the hard way. Just one risky choice can change the course of everything. When control slips, everything else follows. Safe distance costs nothing, but ignoring it can cost plenty.
Looks like Batman or the
Highways promise speed, but physics always reads the fine print. This isn't a racetrack. Going faster doesn't always mean you'll win.
Neo DASHCAM wraps up here for today. Always stay cautious behind the wheel, because the best journey is the one that ends safely. Subscribe, like, share, and comment to become part of our community.